Hey guys, it's Arthur here, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm heading over to Lady Bar Reservoir. So I think I have visited here once before when I did the Halloween video, but it was pretty dark and I couldn't really see that much, so I thought it'd be cool to come out again. And as most of you probably already know, like sometimes the actual journey to these places is better than actually getting there. Like right now we're 5 minutes away and you can see there's loads of nice views around here as we go down these country roads, and as we get deeper and deeper into the Peak District. So it looks like we're gonna have a bit of a squeeze here, but you know what, I can actually wait for this Land Rover probably. If I just pull here, you should have plenty of room to get through, I reckon. And there we go. So it's a bit of a weird day. Like it started off really foggy this morning and I wasn't sure if I'd be able to go out on the bike, but luckily it started to clear out a bit. It's weird, like there's some parts of the Peak District that are still really covered in fog, and then there's other bits where it's like a really nice sunny day. So I just went through Winnets Pass, which I'll probably put in a separate video, but it was so foggy, like I've never seen it like that before. And then now we're here, and I mean it's a bit grey, but there's been some parts we've driven through that have been really sunny. So it's just a bit of a weird day for weather here in the UK. And you can see the trees are starting to turn to autumn, some really nice views. And I've got the camera on a new helmet mount, which I'm hoping is going to give us some cool angles. But as always, thank you guys for tuning into the video, really appreciate it. And yeah, let's carry on through these lovely roads and get to this reservoir. Wow, some nice views over that bridge as well. I think we came this way in the Halloween video, but it was night time and we were going the opposite direction. But yeah, we're actually, as you can see on the map, just a couple minutes away from the reservoir, so not far to go at all. I'm not sure how big it is, so let's go check it out. So maybe we can like try and drive around it, and as well we can just check out some of the roads nearby. See another biker up there going towards it. Some big bikes there. And a biker up here. So we're there now. Should be on the left pretty soon. I remember when we came and filmed the other video, there were loads of signs saying no entry, no drones. Not that I have a drone, but it is on the list, guys. I am thinking about getting a drone potentially. I think I could get some really cool shots, especially when I go out and do some of these bigger trips. But yeah, it looked like it was very strict, there were a lot of rules. Let's see, let's try and go around the edge and maybe we'll get a good spot where we can pull over and yeah, check out the reservoir. Let's go check it out from this way. Probably going to see loads of bikers down here. A lot of people have pulled over here. But there's so many cars. It must be a start of a good walk or something. Okay, looks like we're going Snake Pass, guys, which isn't what I planned, but you know what, I love Snake Pass. Like, this is one of my favourite roads, so when in Rome, I guess it's meant to be. So let's yeah, let's go and check out Snake Pass. But Snake Pass is looking great as usual. It's cool seeing it while the season's changing, and all the leaves are starting to fall off the trees and they're all turning orange. It just looks so nice.